Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy M14 to any Android TV. Here is the mobile. First of all, in your mobile, go to the settings, then go to connections, then go to mobile hotspot and tethering, and here turn on the button against mobile hotspot and click over mobile hotspot. This is network name and password is default set to this much. If you don't want to use password or if you want to change the password, yes, you can do it. Click on configure and change the password. As of now, I don't use any password because for easy demo I don't do use. Okay, but it is better to use password for your personal use and click on save finally. And then now go to your TV. Go to your TV and select settings there. Select settings, then go to additional settings, then network and internet, and turn on Wi-Fi. You will receive signal from your phone, that is mobile hotspot signal. Just click over it and your TV will be connected to your phone through hotspot. Just wait, then come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Go to Play Store and search with the term Google Home. Google Home. You have to install Google Home app. Click on install and wait few seconds for downloading and installing this app. Yes, Google Home is installing now. Just wait. Then open the app Google Home and here click on get started and click on next, give all permissions, click OK and click on next, click on next. It will ask you to turn on Wi-Fi. Just click on activate and then don't turn on Wi-Fi and immediately go to home screen. Then again open the same app Google Home. Click on next. Now you will find a signal from your TV. Yes, see here. Click on devices and you will see the signal from TV, Android TV. Just click it and click on cast to my screen. Click on cast my screen here and click on cast screen. Click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See there. What I see in my phone, that is also seen in my TV. See there. So in this way you can easily do screen mirroring. Here you can adjust the volume. Okay, this is 100% volume, and if you move like this, volume will be decreased. Okay, clockwise direction will be increasing, anti-clockwise will be decreasing. So in this way also you can control the mirroring volume. Yes, it's done. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.